Hey, I'm Dr. Barbara O'Neill. Over 60, listen to me carefully. Because if you are tired for no clear reason, bloated even when you eat lightly, foggy in the morning, itchy at night, or waking up feeling older than you should, your liver may be struggling quietly. Not failing, not diseased, but overwhelmed. And here's what most seniors don't realize: your liver does not detox the same way at 60 as it did at 30, yet no one explains this to you. Doctors check enzymes, supplements promise miracles, and meanwhile toxins keep coming from food, water, air, medications, and even stress. So today we are not talking about fads, we are talking about how your liver actually detoxifies step by step, and what happens when even one step slows down. Have you ever wondered why you don't feel right, but tests come back normal? Why your tolerance for medications is lower? Why alcohol affects you more? Why your skin, digestion, or energy changed, even though your habits didn't? Many seniors quietly fear that something is breaking down inside them, and often what's changing is detox capacity, not disease. The biggest lie is this: your liver detoxes automatically, so you don't need to think about it. Yes, the liver detoxes, but only if it has what it needs. And after 60, the liver faces reduced blood flow, higher toxin load, slower enzyme activity, nutrient deficiencies, medication burden. This is why understanding the 3 phases of liver detoxification matters more now than ever. Detox does not mean flushing toxins out overnight. It means changing harmful substances into forms your body can safely remove. If this process is incomplete, toxins don't disappear, they circulate, settle in tissues, irritate nerves, burden the brain, and inflame joints. Your liver detoxifies in 3 carefully coordinated phases. Phase 1, breakdown. Phase 2, conjugation. Phase 3, elimination. If one phase speeds up or slows down too much, the whole system suffers. Phase 1 is where the liver takes fat, soluble toxins, chemicals, medications, hormones, and breaks them into smaller pieces. This phase uses powerful enzymes. And here's the danger: phase 1 can create more toxic intermediates than the original toxin. Think of it like smashing a large rock into sharp shards. When phase 1 is active, but phase 2 is weak, seniors may feel headaches, anxiety, brain fog, chemical sensitivity, sleep disruption. This is not imagination, it's unfinished detox. Phase 1 is triggered by medications, alcohol, processed foods, environmental toxins, chronic stress. After 60, this phase may still work, but without proper follow-through. Many detox products stimulate phase 1 only. They rev up breakdown, but do nothing to support the next steps. This is why some seniors feel worse after detox attempts. Phase 2 is where the liver neutralizes toxic fragments by attaching them to nutrients like amino acids, sulfur compounds, antioxidants. This makes toxins water-soluble, so they can leave the body safely. Phase 2 depends heavily on nutrition. After 60, many seniors lack protein building blocks, sulfur-rich foods, antioxidants, minerals. Without these, toxins stay reactive. Strong reactions to medications, hormone imbalance symptoms, skin rashes, fatigue after eating, sensitivity to smells. These are often dismissed, but they are signals. Phase 3 is where toxins leave the body through bile, stool, urine. This phase depends on bowel movement, hydration, and bile flow. If elimination is slow, toxins get reabsorbed. This means your liver does the work and your body undoes it. Many seniors don't realize that daily elimination is essential for detox. The liver and gut communicate constantly. An unhealthy gut slows detox. A sluggish liver burdens digestion. This is why bloating and fatigue often appear together. The liver does not need punishment, nutrients, and rhythm. Gentle support works better than aggressive intervention, especially after 60. Water allows toxins to move out. Dehydration thickens bile and slows elimination. Many seniors drink less water without realizing the impact on detox. Healthy fats stimulate bile flow. Without bile, toxins cannot leave. Low-fat diets can unintentionally slow liver detoxification. Stress hormones divert energy away from detox. Chronic stress keeps toxins circulating longer. Calm is not a luxury, it's a detox requirement. The liver regenerates at night. Poor sleep interrupts detox cycles. This is why nighttime wake-ups often coincide with liver stress. You don't need liver disease to have liver overload. You only need more toxins than your body can process efficiently. Skipping meals, extreme fasting, overusing supplements. ignoring digestion, chasing quick fixes. The liver prefers consistency over intensity. The goal is balance. Gentle phase 1, strong phase 2, reliable phase 3. Support one without the others, and symptoms appear. Food provides cofactors in natural ratios. Supplements isolate nutrients, food coordinates them. For seniors, food-based support is often safer and more effective. The liver regenerates better than almost any organ. Even after decades of stress, it responds to care. Age does not disqualify healing. If you've felt tired, foggy, or you're not broke, your body is communicating, and when you listen, it responds. Detox is not a trend. It's a daily biological process. And after 60, understanding how it works and why it slows can change how you feel, think, sleep, and age. Your liver is not asking for extremes. It's asking for support. Respect the process. Support all 3 phases. And remember, your body was designed to heal even now. After 60, many people start saying things like, "I just don't feel like myself anymore." And what's frustrating is that nothing dramatic seems wrong. Blood work looks acceptable. Doctors say, everything is normal for your age. Yet deep down you feel heavier, slower, foggier. You wake up tired even after a full night's sleep. Your digestion feels unpredictable. Your skin reacts more easily. Your tolerance for food, smells, medications, and even stress seems lower than it used to be. This creates a quiet fear in many seniors, the fear that aging automatically means decline. But here's the truth most people never hear: these are not just signs of age. They are signs of a liver that is overloaded, not broken. The liver is your body's main filter. Every pill you swallow, every chemical you inhale, every hormone your body produces eventually passes through it. When you were younger, your liver had a wide margin of safety. It could compensate, adapt, and recover quickly. After 60, that margin narrows. The liver still works, but it no longer has endless reserves. This is why things that never bothered you before suddenly do. A medication you once tolerated now causes side effects. A glass of wine affects your sleep. Certain foods make you bloated or uncomfortable. Your body is not betraying you. It is signaling that detox capacity has changed. What makes this more concerning is that modern life exposes seniors to more toxins than any previous generation. Food additives, pesticides, plastics, household cleaners, air pollution, and long-term medication use all add to the liver's workload. Even emotional stress produces metabolic waste that must be processed. And the liver doesn't get a break. It works 24 hours a day. Many seniors unknowingly live in a state of low-grade toxin overload. Not enough to cause disease, but enough to cause discomfort, fatigue, and accelerated aging. This is why you can feel unwell without being sick. Another common fear seniors carry is this: if my liver is struggling, wouldn't I know? And that's the dangerous misconception. The liver has no pain receptors. It does not scream when it's overwhelmed. It whispers through symptoms that are easy to dismiss. When detox slows, toxins don't disappear. They irritate nerves, burden the brain, inflame joints, and disrupt hormones. Over time, this can affect memory, mood, balance, and energy. Seniors often blame these changes on age when in reality the body is asking for support. And here's the most unsettling part: many well-intended health habits can unknowingly make this worse. Extreme dieting, skipping meals, aggressive fasting, overusing supplements, or jumping from one detox trend to another can overload the liver instead of helping it. Especially after 60, the liver does not respond well to shock or stress. This is why understanding detoxification is not optional at this stage of life. It's essential. Not so you can chase cleanses or fear toxins, but so you can work with your body instead of against it. In the next part, I'm going to explain something that almost no one talks about clearly: why detox is not a single process, and why supporting the wrong phase, or only one phase, can actually make you feel worse instead of better. This is where most seniors go wrong without realizing it. So please take care of yourself, and don't forget to share your thoughts while commenting. And please do subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates about health.